All right, guys, not one, not two, but three UFOs. Okay, SpaceX. Now, let me give you a little bit of the backstory. So, I watch every launch, okay? I actually saved this on my watch later list, and I'm watching it tonight, and I saw something that just blew my mind. Right there. Did you catch it? Okay, another one. Now, I'm reading the little description here. You guys can watch the video. I'm gonna, of course, I want to put it in slow motion. We're gonna zoom in like we always do. Okay, it says here, this is the SAOCOM 1B mission, Falcon 9 launch, first launch to a polar orbit from the East Coast after launching from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. Falcon 9's first stage return to land at Landing Zone 1. Okay, they just released the video 2 days ago. You guys can go over to SpaceX, and it's around the 40-second mark if you guys want to go to the channel. And fact check me or whatever. Just, type in SpaceX, go over to YouTube, put in SpaceX, go to their latest video, go to the 40-second mark, and you're going to see what you're looking at here. Okay, of course, it's not CGI. There's nothing fake here. 100% real. All right, check it out. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking what I thought. Oh, it's some kind of debris from the Falcon 9. Well, no, because SpaceX, they didn't put out any type of statement. I was reading all the comments. Now, in the comment section, you have all these, hardcore, SpaceX fans or whatever, and they don't know what it is. I mean, typically, they can tell you, oh, no, it's, the shield that covers this, or it's something came off the rocket or whatever. One guy said it was a bird. Doesn't look like a bird to me. That looks like some kind of weird drone. I don't even know. And right here, I'm backing it up, so you guys can get a good look at it. And that's at about half speed right there. Okay, we'll zoom in, slow it down a little bit more. Right there. What in the world are we looking at here? I mean, I'm just chilling out at home tonight, watching my usual YouTube videos, and here's the full launch. And like I said, around the 49-second mark, I'll show you, you'll see the UFO. Actually there's three. The little boomerang, and then what looks like a drone to me, and then there's an orb. Okay, right there you're gonna see the moon. Right there, and it comes back down. Okay, and actually the sound is really cool, but I have it on mute right now so you guys can hear me talk. But you'll see the Falcon 9 will come back down. Okay, the flaps, they open up. Now watch right there. Now you can tell that came from a different part of the sky, right? It's not like, something fell off and now it's going back down and they happen to cross paths, that'd be like a 1 in a million chance, First of all, it'd be incredibly dangerous. Now, whenever they, eject anything off the Falcon 9, they make sure it shoots off, very far. And that was incredibly close, number one. Number two, it's traveling, horizontally. The Falcon 9 is vertical, up and down. Whatever that UFO was, it's going left to right, or I'm sorry, right to left, horizontal. I mean, I don't know what to make of it, guys. So you tell me, just a short one, a quick video. Wow. Again, I didn't expect to find a UFO. I was watching my videos like I normally do. I love watching rocket launches, and I watch anything like space related, and I wasn't even really looking for anything, any weird UFOs or whatever, and I saw it and I was like, whoa, back up. I backed it up and I was like, what is that? And of course, I did my typical, zooming in and all of that, and then I bring it to you guys and we can all figure it out together. So UFO, something natural, I don't know. You guys tell me.